Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Spotify versus a music player. We'll explore the key differences and help you decide which option best suits your listening habits. Spotify provides access to over 100 million tracks through its streaming service, while a traditional music player lets you enjoy your personal collection of downloaded songs. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for optimizing your audio experience, whether you prefer endless discovery or curated ownership. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to content, Spotify boasts an enormous library of over 100 million songs, podcasts, and audiobooks, constantly updated. It excels at music discovery through personalized recommendations and expertly curated playlists. In contrast, a music player's content is limited to the files you own and manage yourself. While it offers full control over your collection, finding new music typically requires external effort. Both have unique strengths for different listening preferences. Considering cost, Spotify offers a free, ad-supported version or a premium individual subscription, typically around $11.99 per month, for an ad-free experience and offline downloads. A music player, however, requires you to purchase music files or the device itself upfront. While Spotify provides broad accessibility across many devices, a music player's access depends on where your files are stored. Each model presents different financial and convenience trade-offs for listeners. Regarding user experience, Spotify offers highly personalized listening, with algorithms learning your preferences and suggesting new content. It also integrates social features, allowing you to share music with friends. A music player gives you absolute control over your files, letting you organize them exactly as you wish without relying on an internet connection for playback. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize vast discovery and convenience or complete ownership and customization of your audio library.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.